니사입니다. Today I wanna make this makeup glowy coral makeup. I think this makeup is really beautiful and so glowy for your makeup. So let's get started. Before I apply makeup, I usually using this lip balm from Emina. I will using moisturizer from Wardah. Now I will be using the concealer from Maybelline Age Rewind. It's really covering my blemishes. And tap on the concealer with your finger. Now we're going to use a compact powder to fix your skin after use concealer. I use the powder on my eyes so my eyes makeup lasts a long time. Now it's time to draw in our eyebrows. I use an eyebrow from Wardah. I draw my eyebrow not fully. Now we're going to Mizzu product. I will be using the warm brown to making my eyebrows full. Next, I will be using concealer from Revlon on my eyes, so like eye primer. Today, we'll be using an eyeshadow from Wardah. Honestly, it's blush on, but today I want using that too, eyeshadow and making peach color, and using to underline. I am using eyeshadow palette from Beauty Creation. I will mix the color suits me and desire. It's make warm coral on my eyes. And don't forget to using on the underline. I will using nude color and Kiss Me for the main color to make beautiful eye. To point on underlines, make glitter, I will using lash. Today I don't using eyeliner, I just make a transition color from eyeshadow. I will using the cool brown and warm brown to make smooching like eyeliner. I will using Maybelline mascara to making my eyelashes like half volume. I will be using coral pink blush on my cheeks from Emina. Next, I am using peach shimmer blush to make gradation on my cheeks. Next, I will using highlighter from Mizzu. It's a real beautiful highlighter, so making my face glowing and the texture so little and not making your face like use highlighter. I will be using contour in the same palette to making my nose like small and long. And I will be using on underlips and jawline. I use lip cream from Emina. Before I apply lipstick, I will wipe a lip balm. The last, I will be using lip tint for gradation on my lips. So, makeup은 완성입니다.